Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M53, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you'll want to open up the content that you wish to capture. I'll be using the home screen as an example for this, and once your content is open and visible, hold power key and volume down at the same time. Either hold or it might be just a click. Yep, it's just a click. So press both of them at the same time, release it quickly, and it will capture your screenshot. Now that screenshot can be found in our Photos application, or gallery as it's called right here. So there we go, you can see it right over here. Now additionally, you can see we have also a couple of categories at the bottom. Now if you go into albums, you will see that all your screenshots will be saved into an album called Screenshots. So you can also quickly find it later on. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.